The International Space Station, a symbol of human ingenuity, a testament to international collaboration. For over 2 decades, this remarkable feat of engineering has orbited our planet. It serves as a constant reminder of our boundless capacity for exploration and discovery. The ISS is a shining beacon in the vast expanse of space, reminding us of the power of unity and our shared future among the stars. The ISS is more than just a technological marvel. It is a testament to the human spirit. It embodies our collective dream of reaching beyond the confines of our planet and venturing into the unknown. It is a symbol of hope for the future, a shining example of what we can achieve when we work together towards a common goal. The journey to the ISS began long before its first module was launched. From the moment Sputnik 1 pierced the veil of the cosmos in 1957, humanity has been captivated by the allure of space. The space race that followed spurred rapid advancements in rocketry and spaceflight technology. This era saw the first human ventures into orbit, culminating in the Apollo missions and humanity's first steps on the moon. But the dream extended beyond fleeting visits. We envisioned a permanent presence in space, a place where we could live, work, and conduct research. This ambition led to the development of the first space stations, Salyut, Skylab, and Mir. These early stations provided invaluable experience in long-duration spaceflight, paving the way for the ambitious international collaboration that would become the ISS. The International Space Station stands as a testament to what humanity can achieve when nations put aside their differences and work together towards a common goal. This unparalleled endeavor brought together the space agencies of the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada. Together, they embarked on a journey of unprecedented complexity and scale, sharing their knowledge, resources, and expertise to construct a world-class laboratory in orbit. What began with the launch of the Russian Zarya module in 1998 quickly blossomed into a breathtaking display of international cooperation. Piece by piece, module by module, the station grew. Each successful launch added another element to this extraordinary structure, a tangible symbol of unity and shared ambition. The construction of the ISS is a story of collaboration, ingenuity, and unwavering dedication to pushing the boundaries of human exploration. High above Earth, free from the constraints of gravity, the ISS serves as a unique scientific platform. It's a place where researchers can conduct experiments in biology, physics, material science, and more, leading to breakthroughs impossible to achieve on Earth. The microgravity environment offers a unique opportunity to study the effects of long-duration spaceflight on the human body, paving the way for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. From growing crystals in microgravity to studying the behavior of fluids in space, the ISS has revolutionized our understanding of fundamental scientific principles. The station has also played a crucial role in monitoring our planet's health. Its unique vantage point provides invaluable data on climate change, deforestation, and other environmental concerns, helping us better understand and address these global challenges. A day in the life living and working in space. Imagine waking up to a sunrise every 90 minutes. This is just one aspect of daily life aboard the ISS, where astronauts live and work in the extraordinary environment of microgravity. Every aspect of life is carefully choreographed, from simple tasks like eating and sleeping to complex scientific experiments. Astronauts exercise for 2 hours each day to combat the effects of weightlessness, using specialized equipment designed for the unique challenges of space. Despite the demanding schedule and unique challenges, life aboard the ISS is not without its lighter moments. Crew members often share meals together, enjoying the camaraderie and breathtaking views of Earth. They also participate in educational outreach programs, connecting with students around the world and inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. A gateway to the stars. Docking and international cooperation. One of the most captivating aspects of the ISS is the sight of a spacecraft docking with the station. This delicate maneuver represents the culmination of meticulous planning and international collaboration. Whether it be a Soyuz capsule bringing new crew members or a Progress spacecraft delivering vital supplies, each docking is a testament to the precision and expertise of the teams on Earth and in space. The docking process highlights the interconnectedness of the ISS program. It's a tangible reminder of the global partnership that makes this incredible endeavor possible. Each successful docking reinforces the importance of international cooperation in space exploration and serves as a beacon of hope for future collaborations. Beyond the horizon, the future of the ISS. As the ISS enters its third decade of operation, questions arise about its future. While plans remain fluid, one thing is certain: the knowledge and experience gained from the ISS will continue to shape the future of space exploration. Whether its successor is a new space station in Earth orbit, a lunar outpost, or a deep space platform, the lessons learned from the ISS will be invaluable. The ISS has taught us the importance of international collaboration, the potential of long-duration spaceflight, and the transformative power of scientific discovery. These lessons will guide us as we venture further into the cosmos, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and exploration. Inspiring generations. The legacy of the ISS extends far beyond its scientific contributions. It serves as a potent symbol of human ingenuity, international cooperation, and the indomitable spirit of exploration. For over 2 decades, the sight of this orbiting laboratory has inspired millions around the world, igniting imaginations and fostering a passion for STEM fields. The ISS is a constant reminder that our limitations are self-imposed. It teaches us that by working together, we can overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges and achieve extraordinary things. Its legacy will continue to inspire generations to come, encouraging them to reach for the stars and pursue their dreams with unwavering determination. A salute to courage. The men and women of the ISS. This incredible journey would not be possible without the unwavering dedication and courage of the astronauts and cosmonauts who have called the ISS home. These brave individuals, hailing from diverse backgrounds and nations, have risked their lives to advance our understanding of the universe and our place within it. They have endured rigorous training, faced the unknown with unwavering resolve, and conducted groundbreaking research in the challenging environment of space. To the men and women of the ISS, we offer our heartfelt gratitude and admiration. You are true pioneers, pushing the boundaries of human exploration and inspiring us all with your courage, dedication, and unwavering pursuit of knowledge. Your efforts have left an indelible mark on history and will continue to shape the future of space exploration for generations to come.